Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna try some new Korean skincare. I've already have a look at them. They're really interesting. Their brand is called Pestlo, and I find some of the products really interesting because you have to manually sort of like mix the products like a chemist. Without further ado, let me just show you guys what I have in this box. They sent me a cleanser. This cleanser is really interesting because it's a water to foam secret cleanser. There are actually two formulas. So one is a yellow formula and one is the clear formula. We're gonna check this out later. And then they have this called the Brightest. I think it's a brightening product. Brightening toner serum. This cute little bottle of Vita 7 Bright Activator. When you first start using it, you're supposed to mix both products together. Mix both of this together. I'm gonna try this out later together as well. Lastly, they sent me a bunch of these masks. Seed Real Collagen Mask. So it's made of 100% natural seaweed seed. And this is only for one-time use, I think. So it comes out in this little cute tub. And you're supposed to add water and mix it before you start putting it on the face. Today we're gonna try on the products together, starting from the cleanser first. Uniquely rich and creamy foaming cleanser by binding two forms, removes gently makeup and impurities and lifts away dead cells. So there's actually two dispensers right here, I guess to pump the different formulas. Oh yes, and then you could see that there's actually two types of formula inside this. So I guess I just have to mix it together and oh, then it will start to foam up. It did easily remove my lip product. As you can see, my eye makeup actually melts as well, so it could actually remove my eye makeup easily as well. Alright, so I'm done cleansing my face with the Water to Foam Secret Cleanser by Pestlo. First impressions, very impressed on how you could remove my eyeliner, my eyeshadow glitter that I had on, and my lips and my whole face is really very clean right now. I've never had a cleanser where there are two different kinds of formula in one. Mix it together, it quickly becomes a very nice creamy lather foam. It feels good, soft and nice. Next product that I'm gonna try is the Rebright Toner Serum together with the Vita 7 Bright Activator. Fresh pore system stimulates the powerful activity and potency by mixing the serum and activator prior to first use. Multitasking toner serum helps to improve the texture, brightness, and clarity, contributes to a more beautiful and glowing complexion. Vita 7 Bright Activator works in synergy with the toner serum to help skin appear radiant, even smooth and firm. Wow, that does a lot of stuff. I am very excited to try this. I see niacinamide as the top 3 ingredients, so there are loads of niacinamide here, which is great to brighten up the skin, even out the skin tone. I love niacinamide. And there's even adenosine in the toner serum, great anti-aging ingredient for wrinkles, fine lines. Pour this in here. Trying not to waste any drops. Shake well for 20 seconds.
Okay, 20 seconds is quite a long time. I'm gonna get some arm muscles.
I didn't know that the bottle will turn orange too. I never thought that the bottle is actually transparent so that you could see the inside. Wow, so now it turns into this orange to silver shade. So pretty! It smells really refreshing. It smells very citrusy. After applying it, it looks more glowing. My skin does feel more hydrated, more bouncy actually, which is great. And it feels really refreshing and nice. It's a toner, a serum, and it feels like a lotion, like a lightweight moisturizer. So it feels like a 3-in-1 product. Lastly, I'm gonna try this mask out to end my skincare routine of the day as well. Seed Real Collagen Mask. True collagen of 100% natural seaweed seed. Supports elasticity, suppleness, firmness for a youthful look. Firstly, pour the 30 ml water into the seed pack container and stir them with spatula until the pack thickens. It looks like this. It looks like a dumpling, you know? It looks like Tong Yun. I heard so much good stuff about these stuff that they really helps to soften the skin, firms up the skin. We're gonna try to make this work, okay? Looks weird, doesn't it? For beauty, we do this. Anyway, it smells very natural. It smells like rice.
Now I look really weird.
Okay, I did it, guys. Seems pretty hard to distribute, so you could see that some of the places is thicker and there are some holes, but that's the best I could do. And I know I look funny. It says here to wait for about 15 to 20 minutes and then just remove it. No rinsing needed. So I'll see you in 20 minutes. Alright, so I removed everything. Funny story. I wanted to remove this.
It's actually my mole.
My skin feels a little bit tighter and it's so soft.
Honestly, guys, it feels so soft.
Okay guys, so this is my second attempt.
Since I did it so well the other day.
I must say that I have successfully distributed them evenly. It looks pretty good, right? Practice makes perfect. And I have to say the results are amazing, so of course I don't mind doing it again. Same thing guys, my skin is feeling so soft, so plump up, feels so good. Okay guys, so that's the end of my review of all the Pestlo products. I would say that I'm pretty impressed and I do really like the products so far. If you guys are interested in the products, I'll put the links in my description box below. Before I end this video, I would love to do some giveaways for you guys. Pestlo did send me a bunch of these masks and I would love for you guys to try it for yourself because I really love them. I'm gonna give away 2 boxes of these to 2 winners. So 1 box for each winner to try it out. To join this giveaway, step 1, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Step 2, give this video a thumbs up and like this video. And step 3, just comment down below and let me know why do you wanna try these. I'll see you guys next time, alright?